Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I want to take some of my fire making gear and repurpose it for a bird feeding station. This is my solar igniter that has a perfectly shaped top, those shoulders for solar ignition. Here is the 5-power concave mirror. We'll hang that up and let the birds fight with their images. And this can be the bird feeder, and I'm not sure about this for a bird bath. If it leaks very badly, I brought some saran wrap to sort of use as a liner. Let's hang the mirror. Now, they should be able to sit here and fight with their image right there. And I'm going to cut a slot in there at about a 30-degree angle and just fit that edge up in. So I've been trying to make this slot just a little bit wider. I'm anxious to see if that char tin is going to hold water. Let's fill it up. That looks good. I could not find the seed that I wanted to try, so maybe this will be all right. Oh look, something else I've used for fire making gear. What do you think? Bird-brained idea? I don't know. You can get some great video of birds if you set up some food for them. I've never set up water in a mirror before, but check out my playlist of the birds that I've captured on video probably 8 or 9 years ago. Well, it's been about an hour and a half. How's our bird bath doing? Oh, there's just a little drip right there. Have you seen any activity? I'm gonna go walk. I'll be back in about an hour and a half. Well, it's been about 24 hours and there's no sign of activity. Not even a chipmunk or a squirrel. It looks like our bird bath is gonna hold up. Starting to develop some rust. It's going to take a while for the birds to get enough confidence to feed this low to the ground. Let me show you why. We have 3 cats that patrol the area.